Hello guys! Madabili na naman tayo sa Shopee. Ito yung Bavin Wireless Karaoke Speaker. Model number BM1515. So it came with stickers. Cute na stickers. So pwede siya ma-connect sa phone natin through Bluetooth. Meron siyang slot for 3.5mm headset at TF card playback. So it came with a cute microphone. At yung color ng speaker is white with brown handle. Meron siyang charger at manual in English. So let's test it.
Are you looking for a Bluetooth speaker with microphones? Recommend this one to you guys. This one is a Bluetooth speaker with one microphone, and here is a use menu. And the use menu, and this one has a couple colors: white, black, and pink. This one is pink.
Microphone. Hello. Now, pwede ito mag-change ng voice. Sound switch. Ito yun. This one. See? Switch. Hello, with echo. Yan. Hello. Ayan, normal. Hello. Yan, naging lalaki.
Hello. Ayan, naging bata. Bata ba?
Hello. Ayan, naging chipmunks. Naging chipmunks. Hello. Ayan, back to original sound. Ayan. Okay, good. Ito palang speaker. Nakakonect na siya dito sa phone. Dapat i-disconnect ang microphone. Kasi hindi gumagana. So, to disconnect, i-off ng phone. Ito.